Hi everyone, it's 7:30 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 1:30 a.m. na guys. So ngayon guys, eto guys, nag-grilled kami ng pork steak, ribs, hotdog, cheese hotdog, and of course guys, mayroon akong pusit. Look guys, pusit, sugpo. So this is our dinner for today guys. And of course guys, may lettuce, salad, at sausawan guys. So ito ang aming dinner for today. So look guys, pababa pa lang ang araw guys. 7:30 na ng gabi guys, pero pababa pa lang yung araw. So ganun dito guys. Mamaya pa 9 magdilim or 9:30. So kain tayo guys. Babush. Sarap guys. Sarap.